Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show the easiest and fastest way in which you can pay with Klarna on Temu. Now, if you didn't know what Klarna is, it's basically a way to buy now and pay later. So it kind of works like a loan. You can buy products and they will pay it for you. And then as it says here, you can split the cost of your purchases into 4 payments paid every 2 weeks. Just more time to pay for the things that you love. So assuming you already have a Klarna account set up, you want to head over to Temu. If you don't have a Klarna account set up, go ahead and apply for one first and make sure you actually get accepted before you begin to try and do this. So now we're on Temu, we just want to choose one of the products that we will buy. Let's just say we wanted to get this air conditioner, we would choose this. And what we can do from here is choose a colour and then select add to cart. It will be added to cart and then we want to just go to our cart. So now we're in our cart and we're ready to check out. If we just scroll down a little bit, one of these payment options is indeed Klarna. So what we want to do is click checkout, continue to checkout, and then from here we can just fill out our details, and then after that we'll be taken to our payment. Now when we're on the payment bit, you just want to select Klarna and use it like how you normally would to pay for something. As long as your account is up and running and working correctly, then that order will go through and then you can slowly pay off your items that you bought through Temu with Klarna. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to pay with Klarna on Temu. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.